Yeah, yeah. Rastafari. Listen to the heartbeat. Listen to the earth. Everything of a rhythm. One love. Yeah. Me walk through the valley in the morning. Feel the breeze upon my face. Hear the whisper of the mountains. Feel the beauty of the place. The earth have a way to teach us. If we listen and we learn. Every season bring a message. Every fire have a burn. Me remember all the journeys, all the roads me had to take. Every choice and every moment help the person me become today. Me no look back with regret, no. Cause the past helped build me soul. Every chapter had a purpose. Every story made me whole. When the world move fast around you and you lose the peace inside, find the rhythm of creation. Let the earth become your guide. When the heart become too heavy and the worries start to grow, listen to the natural heartbeat. Let your spirit find the flow. The heartbeat of the earth, still beating strong and free, calling every soul together like the waves across the sea. The heartbeat of the earth, a rhythm we all share, a reminder that love and kindness can be found everywhere. So keep walking with compassion, keep the truth inside your heart. Every person has a purpose, every journey has a start. Me see the farmer with the sunrise, working underneath the sky, planting seeds with hope and patience, watching little dreams arise. Me see the fisherman at the ocean, following the morning tide, with courage inside his spirit and determination as his guide. Me see the children full of laughter, running freely through the land, building dreams and making memories with tomorrow in a demand. Me see the elder sharing wisdom, words that time can never erase, teaching love and understanding, teaching kindness and good grace. When the reggae drums start beating and the bass line start to roll, feel the energy of the rhythm moving deep inside the soul. Every melody a message, every lyric carry light. Every song can bring together hearts from every side, from the islands to the cities, from the rivers to the sea. Let the vibration of love and unity set the people free. We stand beneath the evening sky now, watching stars begin to shine, thinking about the road before me, and the blessings in our mind. Life is like the changing weather, sometimes calm and sometimes wild, but a heart that stays with kindness can remain forever mild. So me carry hope tomorrow and forgiveness from today, walking with a peaceful spirit as me travel on the way. Like the roots beneath the soil, like the branches touching sky, we are stronger when together, when we help each other fly. Like the ocean and the river, finding one another's flow. Let the love between the people continue to grow. The heartbeat of the earth, still calling every name. Through the sunshine and the rainfall, nothing stays the same. Job blessing, again and again. Yeah, yeah. Bird breathing, drums beating, hearts connecting. Feel the rhythm, one love forever. Rastafari. Feel the vibration, feel the energy. Love is the language of every heart. One love. We wake up to the sound of the morning breeze, hear the birds singing through the trees. Sunrise painting colors in the sky, reminding me that hope's still alive. We walk through life with a grateful heart, knowing every day is a brand new start. Me have seen the struggles, me have felt the pain, but me still find sunshine after the rain. Me remember the days when the road was hard, when every step felt like a battle scar. But every challenge teach me something true, every experience helped me make it true. Me carry the love from the people around me, the words of wisdom that always surround me. Like a river flowing from mountain high, good energy keep passing by. When the world become too heavy and you feel you're losing ground, listen to the rhythm of life, hear the peaceful sound. When the night become too quiet and you're searching for the way, keep your faith inside your spirit, just tomorrow bring the day. The vibration of love moving through the air, bringing hearts together, showing people care. The vibration of love stronger than before, opening every doorway, bringing blessings to the show. Let the music keep playing, let the message travel far. Every soul have a purpose, every person is a star. We see the people in the village, sharing stories by the fire, talking about their hopes and dreams and everything they desire. Me see the youth them with ambition, looking toward the rising sun, knowing every great achievement starts with believing it can be done. Me see the elders with the knowledge lessons written through the years, teaching love and understanding, helping others face their fears. Me see the families together, standing strong through every storm, finding comfort in each other, keeping every heart warm. Passing down the inspiration from the elders to the youth, from the ocean to the mountains, from the streets to distant lands. Let the sound of peace and unity bring together every hand. Me look back on the road behind me, see the places me have been, all the moments that shape me journey, all the lessons me have seen. Me no worry about tomorrow, cause me know life have a plan. Me will walk with faith and patience, doing everything me can. Me choose love over anger, choose kindness every day, cause the smallest act of goodness can brighten someone's way. Like the ocean keep on moving, like the stars continue shine, me will keep believing always, everything will come in time. Like the roots beneath the earth, holding strong through wind and rain, love will always find a pathway to bring sunshine back again. Let the children dream with courage, let them reach beyond the sky, let them know the light within them can help their spirits fly. The vibration of love still flowing through the land, bringing hope to every heart, joining every hand. Hey. The vibration of love forever it will stay. Rastafari. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Rastafari. Even when the clouds cover the sky, even when the night feels long, remember, the sun will shine again. One love. Wake up when the morning start calling, hear the birds singing through the trees, feel the breeze touch my face gently, like a blessing carried by the seas. Me know life have many seasons, some bring joy and some bring rain. Some days full of celebration, some days filled with hidden pain. But me learn from every chapter, every road me had to walk, every struggle had a meaning, every silence had a talk. Me never let the darkness hold me, never let the fear decide, cause the light inside my spirit always standing by my side. Oh, when the clouds cover the sunshine and you can't see where we go, hold on tight to your faith now, let the inner strength still grow. When the waves become too heavy and the ocean seem too wide, remember there is always hope waiting on the other side. The sun will shine again after every storm pass through. Every heart can find a reason, every dream can start anew. The sun will shine again, bringing warmth into the land, giving strength to every person, helping everyone to stand. So keep walking, keep believing, keep the love inside your heart. Every ending bring a beginning, every journey have a start. Me see the people working daily, building dreams with patient hands, trying hard to make tomorrow better for their children's plans. Me see the farmer in the field, waiting underneath the sky, planting seeds with hope and courage, watching little dreams grow. Me see the mother giving comfort when the world become too cold, sharing love and inspiration, more precious than silver or gold. We see the youth them chasing visions with determination in our mind, searching for a brighter future, leaving all the doubts behind. When the reggae drums start beating and the bass line start to move, feel the spirit of the music, feel the power of the groove. Every song can bring a message, every rhythm brings some peace, every voice can touch a heart and help the suffering cease. From the island to the nations, let the vibration travel far. Let the world remember kindness like a bright and shining star. They walk beneath the evening sunset, watching colors paint the sky, thinking about the many blessings and the reasons me still try. Life is not about perfection, life is learning every day, finding courage in the journey, finding beauty on the way. So me carry love and patience and forgiveness in my heart, knowing every brand new morning gives another chance to start. Like the flower after rainfall, like the rainbow after storm, every heart can find renewal, every soul can become warm. Like the eagle flying higher, like the river running free, me will keep the hope alive now, for the world me want to see. Let the children dream with courage, let them rise and let them shine. Rastafari. Rastafari, like the river keep moving, like the wind keep blowing, life never stop, keep flowing. One love, yeah. Rastafari, yeah. Me stand beside the river in the morning, watching water pass me by, thinking about the many chapters written underneath the sky. Every wave carry a story, every current know a way, like the journey of a human heart, changing every single day. Me remember all the places and the faces me have known, all the laughter and the memories that me carry as me own. Me have walked through many valleys, seen the sunshine after rain. Every moment had a purpose, every joy and every pain. When the river turn and twist slow and you cannot see the end, trust the journey that you're giving, trust the path you're walking in. When the current move against you and the waves become too strong, keep the faith inside the spirit, keep on moving right along. The river of time keep flowing through our lives, carrying dreams and memories underneath the skies. Oh, the river of time never stop, never fade. Every lesson, every blessing is a mark that we have made. So keep moving, keep believing, let the heart remain free. Every road and every season build a person we can be. Me see the farmer by the river, planting seeds beneath the sun, waiting with a heart of patience until the harvest time come. Me see the fisherman at sunrise, following the ocean call, knowing every changing season bring a lesson to us all. Me see the children by the water, laughing freely as they play, dreaming dreams about tomorrow, finding beauty in today. Me see the elders sharing stories from the years that pass away, keeping history and wisdom for the generations coming someday. When the reggae drums start beating and the bass line start to roll, feel the river of the rhythm moving deep inside the soul. Every song become a journey, every note become a guide, every melody bring together hearts from every side, from the island to the mountains, from the cities to the sea. Let the music bring together all the people peacefully. Me look back upon the footsteps that me leave along the road, see the moments of me struggle and the blessings that me hold. Me no wish to change the story, because everything had a role. Every chapter helped create the strength living deep inside my soul. Know me walking to tomorrow with a heart full of respect, knowing every new beginning is another chance we connect. Like the river find the ocean, like the bird find the sky, we will keep on moving forward with a dream that never dies. Like the trees stand true to as one. Let the future shine much brighter, like the morning rising sun. The river of time is still flowing every day, through the sunshine and the rainfall. It will never lose its way. The river of time, carry hope inside the stream, carry love and carry memories, carry every human dream. Through the changes and the seasons, through the laughter and the pain, we keep flowing with your blessing, again and again. Yeah, yeah, yeah. River flowing, heart growing, life showing. Keep moving forward, one love forever. Rastafari. Rastafari, from the roots of the earth, from the heart of the people. Love is the foundation, one love. Me walk through the fields in the morning, feel the dew beneath my feet, hear the sound of nature calling, hear the rhythm pure and sweet. Me think about the life we live in, and the things that truly last. Not the money or the riches, but the memories from the past. Me see the roots beneath the ground, oh, holding strong through sun and rain, teaching me about endurance, teaching me about strength through pain. Like the tree that keep on growing, even when the weather change. A heart filled with love and patience can survive the strongest rain. When the world become divided and the people lose their way, let the power of love remind us there is hope for brighter days. When the heart feels tired and lonely, and the road become too long, find the roots beneath your spirit, where your courage still belongs. The roots of love run deep inside we soul, stronger than the changing seasons, stronger than the cold. The roots of love keep growing every day, through the storms and through the sunshine. They will never fade away. Give love, share kindness, let compassion be the seed. A little act of goodness can become what people need. Kindness, let compassion be the seed. A little act of goodness. Oh, me see the hands of the worker building dreams beneath the sky. Me see the mothers giving blessings with the love that never die. Me see the youth them with ambition, trying hard to find their place, carrying dreams inside them hearts now, running after hope and grace. We see the elders telling stories with the wisdom of the years, showing how a peaceful spirit can overcome the fears. We see the people coming closer when the difficult times arrive, showing unity and kindness, keeping true love alive. Oh, when the reggae drums start beating and the bass line start to sound, feel the roots of generations, feel the love all around. Every song carry a message, every rhythm carry truth, passing down this strength and wisdom from the elders to the youth, from the islands to the nations. Let the vibration travel far ancient tree now, watching branches touch the sky, thinking about the road before me and the reasons me still try. Every challenge was a teacher, every loss became a guide, every season had a purpose, every moment by my side. So me walk with love and gratitude, with forgiveness in my heart, knowing every day we live in is a chance to make a start. Like the roots beneath the soil, we are stronger when together. Like the river joining ocean, love can flow forever. Let the children grow with wisdom, let them dream beyond the stars, let them know the light within them can shine brighter than afar. The roots of love still holding we today, through the sunshine and the rainfall. They will guide us on the way. The roots of love forever in our heart, a foundation built with kindness, where true blessings start. Through the journey and the changes, through the laughter and the pain, we keep growing with love again and again. Yeah, yeah. Roots deep, love strong, feel giving, keep the love flowing. One love forever. Rastafari. Yeah. Rastafari. Yeah. Life is a melody, every heart got a rhythm. Listen closely, the song is still playing. One love. Hey. Me wake up to the sound of creation, hear the earth begin to sing, feel the morning breeze around me, like a blessing carried by the wind. Every day is a new chapter, every moment got a tune, like the stars that light the darkness, like the night that meets the moon. Me have walked through many seasons, seen the sunshine and the rain, found some joy inside the laughter, found some wisdom in a pain. Every road that me have traveled left a message in my heart. Every person me have met along the way help me become who me are. When the rhythm feel uncertain and the song become too slow, remember every great melody needs some time to grow. When the world become too noisy and you lose your inner soul, find the peace inside your spirit, let your heartbeat guide you around. The melody of life still playing in my soul, through the highs and through the lows, it helped me reach me goal. The melody of life, a song that never ends, filled with love and memories, and the people we call friends. Sing it, sing it, sing it, sing it loud, sing it proudly, let the whole world hear this song. A rhythm full of kindness, where true peace can be found. Me see the child with big imagination, dreaming underneath the sun, believing every possibility, knowing life has just begun. Me see the work in the morning, giving effort every day, building hope with dedication, long ago, sharing lessons full of wisdom, helping young hearts to grow. Me see the people standing together when the difficult times are right, showing love and compassion, keeping hope alive. When the reggae drums start beating, and the bass line start to roll, feel the vibration of the music, moving deep inside the soul. Every guitar string a whisper, every rhythm a reminder that the world can find more beauty when we choose to be kinder. From the island to the mountains, from the cities to the sea, let the sound of love and unity bring people harmony. Hey. Look back up on the journey and me smile at what me see. All the places and the moments that created the person me be. Me no regret the struggles, me no forget the lessons learned, because every little challenge help the inner fire burn. Though me walk with appreciation, with a peaceful heart and mind, knowing every day is precious, and every blessing we can find. Like the drum keep on beating, like the ocean keep the tide, me will keep moving forward with Jah love as me guide. Like the tree keep growing upward, like the sun continue shine, me will follow me purpose and trust the perfect time. Let the children hear the music, let them dream and let them fly, let them know the world is waiting for the gifts they bring inside. The melody of life still playing every day, through the sunshine and the rainfall, it will never fade away. The melody of life forever in my heart. Every note and every moment is a beautiful work of art. Through the struggles and the victories, through the laughter and the tears, we will keep singing this song for many more years. Yes, music flowing, heart glowing, spirit growing, keep the melody alive. One love forever, Rastafari. Yeah, yeah. Rastafari. From the valley to the mountain, from the ocean to the land, hear the heartbeat. A warrior spirit never surrender. One love. Oh, one love. Me born with a fire deep inside me, a flame that nobody can take. Through the storms and through the struggles, me learn the strength me had to make. Me walk through roads full of challenges, where the wind was blowing strong, but me keep me head up high, oh, and me keep moving along. Me remember every moment when the world tested me nail, every trial that came before me, only strengthen up the flame. Me no run from difficult seasons, me no hide from falling rain, cause the heart that knows the struggle can rise above the pain. When the pressure starts increasing and the journey feel too long, listen to the voice inside you, tell you to keep moving on. When the mountains stand before you and the road become unclear, remember Jah walk beside you, so you never walk in fear. Yeah, me got the warrior spirit, standing strong through every fight. people facing hardship, still them find a way to smile. Carrying dreams upon them shoulders, walking every extra mile. Me see the dreamers keep believing, even when the road get rough. Holding tight to their vision, knowing hope is always enough. Me see the mothers giving blessings, me see fathers working hard, me see families standing together, protecting every heart. Me see the youth them full of talent with a future in them hand. If we teach them love and wisdom, they can build a better land. When the reggae drums start beating and the bass line start to shake, feel the spirit of the people, feel the energy awake. Every rhythm tell a story, every melody bring peace. Every song can heal our heart now and help the worry cease. From the island to the world now, let the message travel far. Let the sound of love and freedom shine like a morning star. Me stand beneath the open heavens, looking back at yesterday. See the roads that tried to stop me, but me still find a way. Every mistake was a teacher, every loss became a guide, every tear became a river, taking me to the other side. Now me walk with appreciation, with a calm and peaceful mind. Knowing every step me taking is a blessing we can find. Like the lion in the jungle, like the eagle in the sky, me will keep reaching higher, me will never stop me try. Like the tree with roots beneath it, me will stand through any storm. Like the sun that rises each morning, me will keep my spirit warm. Let the world be filled with kindness, let the people live as one. Let the children chase their dreams, no, underneath the same bright sun. Me got the warrior spirit, still shining every day. Through the sunshine and the rainfall, me will find another way. Me got the warrior spirit forever in me heart. Every journey has a purpose, every ending is a start. With your love around me always, and the fire burning bright, me will walk into tomorrow, guided by the light. Spirit strong, heart strong, fear strong, never surrender. One love, one forever, Rastafari. Rastafari. From the heart of the people, from the rhythm of the earth. Freedom is a feeling, love is the answer. One love. Me walk through the morning with a smile on my face, knowing every soul have a special place. Life bring challenges, life bring rain, but every storm teach something again. Me been down roads where the way wasn't clear, faced many moments filled with fear, but me held on to the hope inside, and found the strength that was always me guide. Me no chase after things that disappear. Me value the love from the people me care, because riches can fade like the sunset sky, but a good heart will never die. Me carry the lessons from yesterday and use them to build a brighter way. Every chapter that me had to write helped me discover me in a light. When the world start feeling heavy and the pressure come around, listen to the rhythm of your heartbeat. Let Let your spirit stand its ground. When the road become a struggle and the answers hard to find, keep the faith inside your heart, leave the worries behind. Oh, the freedom in my soul, nobody can take away. It shine like the morning sunshine and guide me through each day. The freedom in my soul, like the ocean running free. It carry love and hope together deep inside of me. Yeah. No chain can hold a dreamer, no darkness stop the light. With your love and determination, we keep moving through the night. Yeah, we see the people in the village sharing stories by the fire, talking about their hopes and dreams and everything they still desire. We see the youth them with ambition, trying hard to find them way, building dreams with dedication, looking toward a brighter day. We see the elders giving guidance, words of wisdom from the years, teaching patience, teaching kindness, helping others overcome fears. We see the power of togetherness, when every hand can make a change. When hearts come together with love, even mountains rearrange. Oh, when the reggae drum start beating and the bassline start to flow, feel the message of the music, feel the positive energy grow. Every rhythm tell a story, every melody bring peace, every voice can bring some comfort, helping troubled hearts release. From the Caribbean waters to every corner of the earth, let the sound of love remind us of every person's worth. Me stand beneath the stars at night, watching the moon above the sea, thinking about the road before me and the person me become today. You know tomorrow brings surprises, me know life can change its tune, but me trust the path before me like the sun that rise each noon. So me keep a heart full of gratitude and a spirit full of grace, walking with love and compassion every step and every place. Like the bird that fly in the sky, it will keep reaching high. Like the river flowing forward, me will never stop me try. Let the children dream tomorrow, let them know them can succeed. Give them love and give them wisdom, give them everything they need. Let the world remember kindness, let forgiveness lead the way. Let the light inside each person shine a little more each day. Yeah, the freedom in my soul still burning bright and strong. Through the sunshine and the rainfall, it carries me along. The freedom in my soul, forever it will be a song of love and unity, a spirit running free. Through the struggles and the victories, through the laughter and the pain, me will walk with hope beside me again and again. Yeah, yeah, soul free, heart open, faith growing, keep the rhythm alive. One love forever, Rastafari. Yeah, yeah, Rastafari. Every seed have a purpose, every dream have a season. Plant love, grow hope, one love. Me walk through the garden in the morning, see the flowers opening wide, feel the sunshine on my shoulder, feel the peace deep inside. Every plant have its own story, every tree have roots below, teaching me that life need patience and everything take time to grow. Me remember when me planted little dreams inside me heart. Some took longer than me wanted, but me knew they had a start. Through the seasons of the journey, through the rainfall and the sun, me kept watering the vision until the growth had begun. Yeah. When the road feel hard and heavy, and you wonder if you can remember every mighty forest started from a little grain of sun. When the waiting feel too long, no, and the answer seems so far, keep living in the purpose, yeah. Keep on reaching for the stars, yeah. The garden of dreams, where the hopes and wishes grow, with love and dedication. Watch the beauty start for show. The garden of dreams, where the heart can find release. Plant the seeds of kindness and harvest love and peace. Keep growing, keep believing. Let the spirit find a way. Every flower has a moment, every dream have its day. You see the child with imagination, drawing pictures of tomorrow, holding dreams inside them heart, full of joy and little sorrow. Me see the worker every morning, building something with care, putting effort in the future, showing love is always there. Me see the elders by the garden, sharing wisdom from the past, teaching that the strongest roots are the ones that's always last. Me see the neighbors coming closer, helping each other through the rain, showing that a little kindness can remove a lot of pain. When the reggae drums start playing and the rhythm start to rise, feel the energy surrounding like the sunrise in the skies. Every melody bring comfort, every beat can heal the soul, every song can bring together and help broken hearts feel whole. From the island to the nations, let the positive vibration flow. Let the message of love and unity continue to grow. Me look around the garden, see the beauty everywhere. Every flower, every color, show the blessings that we share. Life is like a garden growing, need attention every day, need forgiveness, need compassion, need some kindness on the way. So me choose to plant good memories, choose to spread a little light, choose to help another person, find a reason to smile bright. Like the tree that reaches heaven, while its roots remain below. Me will remember my foundation and continue to grow. Like the river feeding valleys, like the sun warming the earth. Every soul has hidden value, every life has endless worth. Let the children plant their dreams now, let them watch those dreams arise. With love inside their hearts, they can reach beyond the skies. The garden of dreams still growing every day, through the storms and through the sunshine. It will never fade away. The garden of dreams, where hope begins to bloom, where the heart can find the future and a brighter room. apart.
Walk with faith.
Walk with love, one love. When the sunrise is shining, see the golden light upon the land. Give thanks for another morning and the blessings in me hand. Me know the road can be uncertain and the hills can feel so high, but me keep a peaceful heart now, and me keep me eyes on the sky. Me travel through some difficult seasons, seen the rain and felt the cold, but the lessons from the journey made me spirit strong and bold. Me never forget the people who stood beside me through the years. Them words of love and kindness helped me overcome my fears. When the road get rough and rocky and the path become unclear, Jah light will always guide us, Jah love will always near. When the darkness tries to surround us and the night refuses to end, keep believing in the morning, better days will come again. Walk the road of Jah with love inside your heart. Every step is a blessing, every journey is a start. Walk the road of Jah with faith to lead the way. Through the storms and through the sunshine, we will rise another day. No mountain can stop us, no river too high. With hope as our companion and Jah right by our side. We see the people in the village sharing food and sharing smiles, showing love and understanding, even after difficult miles. We see the farmer in the field working underneath the sun, planting seeds of hope and patience, waiting for the harvest come. We see the children with ambition, dreaming bigger every day, holding visions in them hearts low, searching for a better way. Me see the elders with the wisdom, stories written through the years, teaching us about compassion and removing all the fears. When the reggae drums start beating and the bass line start to roll, feel the vibration moving deep inside the soul. Every song carry a message, every rhythm bring a sign. Music bring the hearts together like the stars that always shine. From the island to the ocean, from the mountains to the street, let the sound of love and unity bring the world together sweet. Me look back up on the journey, and me see how far me come. All the battles and the struggles could not stop the rising sun. Every tear became a lesson, every challenge made me grow. Every door that closed behind me led me where me needed go. So I'm walking to tomorrow with gratitude and pride, knowing Jah will keep protecting every step along the ride. Like the tree with roots deep in the earth, me will stand through every storm. Like the fire inside the darkness, me will keep the spirit warm. Like the river keep on flowing, never stopping on the way. Me will keep on moving forward until me brighter day. Let the world be filled with kindness, let forgiveness lead the heart. Let the children grow with wisdom and create a better start. Walk the road of Jah with love inside your heart. Every ending bring a beginning. Hear the ocean calling, feel the wind a whisper. The sea of a memory, the art of a song. One love. Oh no, 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 no. Yeah. Me walk beside the ocean at sunrise, watching the colors touch the sea. Feel the breeze moving gently, like just sending peace to me. The waves keep rolling without stopping, never fearing what ahead, teaching me about perseverance and the path that must be tread. Me think about the life we living, all the roads me travel through, all the dreams inside me spirit, all the things me still want to do. Me remember every struggle, every moment me felt low, but the ocean keep reminding me that every tide must flow. When the storm come from the distance and the waves begin to rise, keep the courage in your heart now, keep the hope within your eyes. When the journey feel uncertain and you cannot see the shore, just the rhythm of the ocean, it will carry you once more. The spirit of the ocean live forever in me, like the waves that keep on moving, like the wind that must be free. The spirit of the ocean carries stories from the past, teaching us about endurance and the strength that always lasts. From the island to the world, no, from the mountain to the sea, the spirit of the ocean will forever live in me. Me see the fisherman at morning, pulling out from the blue sea, working hard with dedication, living simple and living free. Me see the children by the shoreline, building castles in the sun, dreaming dreams beyond the horizon, with tomorrow in them on. Me see the elders near the water, sharing stories from before, talking about the changing seasons and the lessons life restore. Me see the people coming together with compassion and respect, showing love and understanding, building something we protect. When the reggae drums start beating and the bass line start to roll, feel the vibration of the island moving deep inside the soul. Every guitar string tell a story, every rhythm carry peace, every song become a blessing, helping trouble hearts release. Music travel like the ocean, crossing every distant line, bringing people close together like one united band. We stand beneath the evening sky, no, watching stars above the tide, thinking about the many blessings that have always been me guide. Life can change just like the ocean, sometimes calm and sometimes wild, but inside every difficult moment there is hope waiting like a child. So me walk with faith and patience, with gratitude every day, knowing Jah light will protect me and continue lead the way, like the waves that touch the shoreline. Me will keep coming back strong, like the drums that keep on beating. Me will keep singing me song. No storm can stop the ocean, no darkness stop the sun. Every heart can find a purpose, every journey can be won. Oh, let the world embrace forgiveness, let Jah love beside me always, and the rhythm in my heart. Me will follow the ocean,